Let's see how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to make some quick changes to our document by formatting some parts. Now, instead of manually going over and changing the format for each type of, or rather each part of your document, what you can do is first change a certain part, usually the first part of your document, to your preferred format. And if you want to copy that format into other parts of your document, you can simply highlight that section, or in this case, this text right here, which is in bold and underlined, as well as a bigger font. Now, when you have that highlighted, click on Format Painter and simply head on over to the next part of the document that you want to change the format of. Let's say that we want to change this second paragraph right here into the same format. Simply highlight it, and it should automatically change into the same format as your highlighted text before. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.